Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about should you pay off your mortgage early. Paying off your mortgage early sounds like a dream for many homeowners. No more monthly mortgage payment, less stress, and full ownership of your home. But before making extra payments, it is important to understand that the smart choice depends on your goals, your interest rate, your savings, and what else you could do with the money. First, let's look at the biggest benefit. When you pay off your mortgage early, you reduce the total interest you pay over the life of the loan. Since mortgage interest is charged on the remaining balance, every extra payment toward principal can lower the balance faster. As the balance goes down, future interest charges also become smaller. Another major benefit is financial freedom. When the mortgage is gone, your monthly expenses can become much lower. This can give you more flexibility, less pressure, and more control over your income. For many people, owning a home outright also brings peace of mind because they feel more secure and less dependent on debt. However, paying off a mortgage early is not always the best financial move for everyone. One important factor is your interest rate. If your mortgage rate is high, paying it down early may save a lot of money. But if your rate is very low, for example around 3 or 4%, investing the extra money somewhere else may potentially create better long-term returns. At the same time, you should think about liquidity. If you use all your extra cash to pay the mortgage, that money becomes tied up in your home. So before making large extra payments, it is usually wise to have an emergency fund, stable income, and enough cash for unexpected expenses. For example, imagine a $300,000 mortgage for 30 years at 6% interest. If you only make the minimum payment, the total paid over 30 years may be around $644,000, including around $344,000 in interest. But if you pay an extra $300 per month, the loan could be paid off in about 20 years, and total interest may drop to around $157,000. That means you could save about $187,000 in interest and finish the mortgage about 10 years earlier. This shows how powerful extra principal payments can be when used consistently. So, when is it a good time to pay off your mortgage early? It can make sense when your interest rate is high, your income is stable, you already have an emergency fund, and you want to become debt-free sooner. It may also be a good choice if reducing stress and increasing financial security matters more to you than chasing higher investment returns. Now, there are different ways to pay off a mortgage faster. One simple method is making extra payments whenever possible. Even small extra amounts can reduce the principal balance over time. Another method is bi-weekly payments, where you pay half of your mortgage every 2 weeks. This can create the effect of one extra monthly payment each year. You can also use lump sum payments from bonuses, tax refunds, side income, or unexpected windfalls. Instead of spending that money, applying it directly to the principal can help shorten the loan term and reduce interest. However, before doing this, check whether your lender charges any prepayment penalty. Also, make sure the extra payment is applied to principal, not just counted as an early regular payment. This small detail can make a big difference. In simple words, paying off your mortgage early can save a lot of money and bring peace of mind, but it should fit your overall financial plan. Do the math, compare your mortgage rate with other opportunities, protect your emergency savings, and choose the option that supports your future goals. This video is for general educational purposes only and is not financial, mortgage, or investment advice. Always speak with a qualified financial professional before making major financial decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.